everybody and welcome back to VOP! And syempre hello din sa ating mga naging subscribers while I'm gone in 6 months! Okay, so muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe magmula nung ako yung nagpapahinga in 6 months. And again, sa patuloy na support ninyo, maraming salamat po. And we would like to greet you belated Merry Christmas and Happy 2022! Please now, bumati na ako. I'm always late at the party, kaya ayun, wala na rin time na bumati sa YouTube. And let's proceed for today's video. Ingit sa kaalaman nyo po lahat mga kaibigan, bukod sa ang aking hobby ay pagbablog or vlogging, ay isa rin po akong collector. Yes, that's right. Isa pong collector ng... Ayan, makikita nyo sa background. Pero actually, di talaga sa akin din. Kasi green screen lang to. Look to, totoo yan. Yung nasa picture, hindi totoo yan. Yes, mga kaibigan, I am collecting this. Kuya Carl, ano kaya ito? Ano kaya itong nasa likod mo? Ito ba ay dolls? Ito ba ay laruan? No, this is not just a doll. This is not just a, what used to call a toy or something. This is what we called Funko Pops. Ha? Ano yung Funko Pop, Kuya Carl? Anyway, so, ayun, I'm collecting Funko Pops. Pero, before we proceed, kung bakit ako na-addict na mangolekta ng mga Funko Pop na yan, I'll share you some little history about Funko Pops. Okay, so, based sa aking research sa entertainment.com, so I hope this is a legit information. If this is not legit, otherwise, mamataw tayo fake news. Funko History started back in 1998. Kasagsagan pa ng mga action figures, kasagsagan pa ng mga bobblehead, of course yung mga troll action figures noon pa ay naglipanan na all throughout the 90s. So, sino ba ang nag-umpisa nito at sino ba ang nagtatag ng Funko na yan? No less than the founder himself by the name of Mike Becker, na nagtatag ng isang little company na may nostalgia theme na bobblehead na tinatawag na Wacky Wobblers. Most of the Funko Pop fans will get this dahil meron silang tinatawag na line. So, ang ibig sabihin ng line, guys, ay pagkasunod-sunod, of course, from different categories sa bawat action figures or sa bawat figures ay mapapansin mo marami-raming mga characters in one line of show. For example, ang pinakasikat na line ngayon is the Pop Vinyl figure. Actually, it's been debuted almost 12 years ago na. And most of them are ito talaga yung pinaka new wave talaga. At syempre, sa maniwala ko sa hindi, masasayang talaga ang pera nyo by collecting one line. So for example, I have the Friends line, I have the Big Bang Theories line, all in one na siya. So eto na, kasama na siya. Magkakasama na sila sa isang linya. And that is how you collect Funko Pop. Okay, so quick story lang kung paano ba ako na-addict sa Funko Pop na yan. Alright, so nagsimula ang aking curiosity sa Funko Pop na yan way back 2018. So, I remember correctly, ay umattend ako sa isang conference which is way back in 2018. And then, there was this figure na talagang nagandahan ako ng lubos. Sa lahat na yata ng mga items na naka-display doon sa convention na pinuntahan ko last 2018. Well, eto na yata yung pinaka magandang item na gusto kong bilhin. Ayan. So, moving on. Sa tuwing nakikita ko siya, sabi ko, okay. So, one day, sabi ko, pagka-graduate ko, I will buy you. I will get you. Until June of 2019, months after ako graduate. So, June of 2019, nag-release si Jollibee ng isang special edition na Funko Pop. At how much? Of course, 900 pesos lang naman. Kasama na yung Chicken Joy in a bucket. So, ayun na nga. At from then on, nagtuloy-tuloy na. At the same year, of course, nag-release na din si Darna ng Funko Pop, and that's the second one that I buy. And then, ito na nga, yung dream na dapat sana nung May 2019 ko pa dapat binili. However, there you go. I bought it na later after I bought Darna na Funko Pop. So, ayun, yun na yung pinaka collection ko talaga. At what I call it the Pinoy line. Kahit hindi talaga siya line actually. By some other pops such as yun nga yung Coca-Cola Funko Pop, si Polar Bear. Originally ay para sa isang regalo ito pero tinanggihan. Tinanggihan. Nag-effort kang bumili niyan and then bigla na lang wala na. So, napunta na lang sa akin yung collection na yun. Colonel Sanders ng KFC and of course my special birthday gift. Actually hindi ko na in-unbox yung iba kasi wala na talaga tayong mag-vlog noon during that time kasi yun na nga, tutulong na nga ako sa business at still finding a job at that time. At yun na nga, way back 2021, last year lang, my birthday gift to myself syempre is Hulk Hogan Funko Pop. Ayan, you can see right now, yan yung 80s version ni Hulk Hogan. Yan yung kanyang suot when he became a popular wrestler in World Wrestling Entertainment. So, ayun, there's one thing I would like to realize na, wow, ang saya pala mongolekta ng mga Funko Pops, ano? Akin lang. Kasi, I know for sure naman na, syempre, kung saan ka talaga masaya, you have the happy kid inside you talaga. Ayun, so, nabili ko na lahat ng gusto kong Pops. Of course, there's only one thing talaga na gusto kong bilhin. At salamat na lang dito.
Gentlemen, and welcome to the show. The extra buttons. Yeah.
Okay, so napanood ko itong Netflix program na ito, which is to my curiosity na akala ko ay isa itong bagong show. Pero yung pala, isa itong isang show na pala ito from the 80s. At I don't know if you're familiar with a comedian named Jerry Seinfeld. So, syempre, I'm a fan of Jerry Seinfeld nung napanood ko yung series na yan. Long before actually, bata pa ako, napanood ko yung programa niya na Seinfeld. Ito ay isang sikat na sitcom sa Amerika which airs from 1989 to 1998. And eto na nga guys, parang may isang post sa Facebook na lumitaw na ng bigla habang nanonood ako ng sitcom sa Netflix which is Seinfeld. So sabi ko, gusto ko talaga itong bilhin kasi syempre si Seinfeld talagang nagpatawa na ito ng maraming viewers all over the world, including myself as a sitcom fan, na talagang mapapatawa ka na lang sa mga jokes niya. Siyempre sa mga kasama niya, sila Kramer, sila George, sila Elaine, at siyempre kiniinisan ni Seinfeld.
Hello, Newman.
Yun nga, gaya na sinabi ko kanina, yung post sa Facebook na yon na lumitaw bigla na, oy, may Funko Pop line na pala ang Seinfeld. So ito na, gusto ko sabihin na, wow, this is the dream that I ever wanted to buy. So obviously, this is my Christmas gift to myself na lang din. Kasi, syempre, sa dami mga donations talaga! Okay, so nag-search ako sa Shopee. Salamat, Shopee! So yun nga, I've searched it on Shopee until inanap ko siya sa Kramer Toy Warden. So, tara nga. I find it very cheap. Not cheap actually, pero very, very pricey. Pero salamat na lang at meron siyang vouchers na nakasama pag nag-order ka. So, I ordered this at Shopee for just amount of 560 plus pesos. At syempre, I don't know if it's kasama na yung shipping fee. I use their vouchers. Talagang mapapamura ka na lang bigla. Not yung mura na what you already know. Mapapamura na lang talaga ang yung presyo sa pagbili. So, right now, to make the long story short, so nabighani talaga ako sa Seinfeld. So, the first thing that I would like to do kapag nabighani is to buy the figure of Jerry Seinfeld. Okay, so in order ko was Jerry Seinfeld wearing a puffy shirt. So if you're seeing right now, ito yung suot niya from season 5 episode 3, which is the puffy shirt. So nagmumukha siyang kapitan dahil according sa episode na yan ay magpo-promote lang si Jerry Seinfeld ng isang charity program sa isang morning show sa Amerika. And ito na nga, ang host ay pinagtawanan maging ang kanyang kaibigan na si Kramer at ang mismo babae for whom is responsible for having the puffy shirt of Jerry Seinfeld. So ito na nga, and ito na siguro yung pinaka-favorite episode ko so far sa sitcom na yan. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, let us unbox this Funko Pop of Jerry Seinfeld in a puffy shirt. Let's go! Oh, sandali. Kailangan natin ng magandang tirada dyan. Music, please. Okay guys, let us now review this Funko Pop of Jerry Seinfeld wearing the infamous or the most popular puffy shirt na masasabi mo magmumukhang pirata ang kanyang suot. Kung na lang daw eye patches at suot na pampirata. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so ganda ng packaging of course. So talagang perfectly fit for one of the legendary programs or the legendary sitcoms of the 90s. Okay, so there's Seinfeld. So under category siya ng television right here. This is Seinfeld, the logo of the popular comedy sitcom or situational comedy for that matter. So under siya ng number 1088. Actually, hindi ko napapansin yung numbers. So this is part of a line ng naturang palabas. And of course, featuring Jerry Seinfeld. This pop was released back in the year, not just so far, but it was this year lang. It was this last year lang. Malinaw, linawin mo. Ito ay release lang just last year lang, 2021. So bagong labas lang itong Funko Pop na to. So which is almost a year na pala. Malinaw na. So this is the side part. Again, the category kung saan siya. There's the name and of course the number. Bukod dito ay ito yung figure, of course, right side. So left side rather. Again, this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay. So bukod pa riyan, this is the line of Seinfeld. And here are some of the Funko Pops na category na nakalinya categorically dito. So this is Jerry, of course, George Costanza, si Elaine Benes, si Kramer or Cosmo Kramer, si Newman. Ito yung arch nemesis ni Jerry Seinfeld. Buti hindi in real life. Of course, the F. Kasem, the guy from the No Soup guy. So mga nakada. Yeah, this is the No Soup. Wait lang. Sige, kaya mo yan! Sige, kaya mo yan! Ayan, this is the No Soup guy, F. Kasem, at syempre si Elaine, also wearing sombrero. Oh, parang may something. Hindi ko pa napunas. And here it is, Elaine with sombrero. At syempre, yun nga, meron. Yung hawak ko ngayon is Jerry with the puffy shirt. So this is the line from Seinfeld. And of course, we were about, or we should say in Canadian, about to unbox. So let's unbox this. Oh, before anything else, maganda ang packaging ng delivery. So talagang iningatan talaga. So kaya pala may fragile pala no na nandun. So kailangan talaga i-handle niyo siya with care. So good thing sa Shopee rider ay he's very responsible. Lalo-lalo na sa mga parcel ng mga customers. So there you go. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. So medyo dahan-dahanin lang kasi bagong bili lang to at saka bagong release na. It's last year lang siya ilabas. So, let's handle it with care. Here you go. Let's do this. Oops. Maingat lang tayo ha. Maingat lang tayo. I mean, gotta tell you. Maging maingat lang tayo. Believe me, you have to be more careful. Value with what you're buying. Okay? Whoops. Whoops. Whoa. Ooh, last one, damage. Oop, damage siya. Ingatan mo. Okay, wow. Alatang bagong bili. Kasi ngayon lang nilabas eh. Well, let's release it. Not ayaw. Makisama ka naman, please. Come on. Okay, wait lang ha. Wait lang. Ooh, what happened? Oh, yun! Alam ko, di na siya lalabas eh. Mukhang ayaw talagang makisama to. Oh, there you go. That's the unboxing. And here you go. Let's... Now this is the Funko Pop of Jerry Seinfeld. Here he is. Sorry. Here he is, guys. Tayo. Ayan. This Jerry... So baka po. And here comes Jerry. Here's Jerry, everybody. Here's a comedian named Jerry Seinfeld. Malinaw. Ayun. Oops. Okay, so this is his puffy shirt. Kung saan sinuot niya sa isang mock interview. Ayan, kita niyo na yung kanyang texture ng kanyang buhok ay saktong-sakto. And of course, the shoes, the pants, and syempre saktong-sakto sa konteksto ang puffy shirt ni Jerry Seinfeld. Kulang na nga lang pirata. Tama nga naman yung sa host. Ano talaga siya? Pirate. Okay, so talagang wow, you look at this figure is like wow. You're looking in Jerry Seinfeld's figure. Wow, I could be a pirate. Okay, so ito na nga siya. This is the figure. As in, bagong-bago lang itong figure na to. Kakalabas lang to last year. So, here he is. Jerry Seinfeld. And his Funko figure in puffy shirt. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's a wrap for our first ever unboxing vlog for the year 2022. At syempre, this is our first Funko Pop unboxing / review. So again, napakaganda ng packaging. Again, this is a must-have for the Seinfeld fans. At syempre, lalo-lalo na sa mga sitcom fans like me. Of course, fan ko na rin ito si Jerry Seinfeld for his wit, for his jokes, of course. At syempre, actually, there's nothing wrong with that. And that's it, guys. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. So, know the drill, guys. And I miss saying this after 6 months. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Syempre, follow na rin po sa mga social media sa nakikita nyo sa inyong screens. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. And we will see you on my next vlog. Cue applause and cue ending music. Adios!